There are 4 tones in Chinese pronunciations. An accurate pronunciation with a wrong tone can mean many different things. Let's start by learning how to say apple in Chinese and practice the tone. Apple in Chinese is 苹果. Please repeat after me. 苹果苹果苹果 Now a little bit faster. 苹果苹果苹果苹果 Some of my students say 苹果苹果苹果 Pronunciations are correct, but the tones were wrong. Remember, an accurate pronunciation with a wrong tone can mean many different things. Apple in Chinese is 苹果苹果苹果 Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I have spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please show me your support by giving me a thumb up or share. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese, No Boring Grammar. Or you can visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.